Here we're going to simplify the square root of negative 7 times the square root of negative 14. So the first thing we need to do, we have negatives under radicals, even-rooted radicals, so we need to extract those negatives, and that will produce an I on the outside. Okay? At this point, I am multiplying two radicals. You can use your product rule for radicals that states if you're multiplying two radicals, as long as they have the same index, you can put those under one radical. So we're going to do that here. Start with your outside values and go ahead and multiply those. I times I is I squared. And then you're going to use this rule here. The square root of 7 times the square root of 14 is the square root of 7 times 14. 7 times 14 is 98. Okay. Make sure anytime you're working with the variable I, you're going to take I squared and replace it with negative 1. So always replace I squared with negative 1. You don't have to write that 1, you can just write that as negative times the square root of 98. Okay, almost done. Make sure you reduce your radical completely. So let's take 98, start breaking it down to see if we can reduce. So that's 2 times 49. 49 is 7 times 7. So the square root of 98, we're going to reduce down to 7 square root of 2. You have a negative out there, so it's going to be negative 7 square root of 2. And now you are finished.